Schofield's pass ball is incomplete. Fourth down for the Mayhem. Loose ball in the Mayhem backfield is recovered by number 21, Maggie Schofield. However, the Mayhem turn the ball over on downs. 1st and 10 for the Blizzard.
Let's go, make a play, make a play!
Number 1, Kyla Means carries the ball for the Blizzard. She's tackled on the play by number 24, Emily Cormier. An 8-yard gain on the play will be 2nd and 2 for the Blizzard on the Mayhem 17-yard line. That pass goes complete to number 14, Zachara P. She's brought down by number 87, Kendra Cummings. Short gain on the play, 3rd down for the Blizzard. Mikayla Means takes the ball into the end zone for a Blizzard touchdown. Number one, Mikayla Means takes the ball into the end zone for a successful two-point conversion. 11 minutes, 35 seconds left in the first half. Mayhem 14, Blizzard 16.
Yo, 716, we just throwing that cake. Well, hey, oh, 716, every down we get. Hey, oh, 716 to the base, feel the pressure. Oh, drop hit, make the whole world step together. Oh, break from the line like lightning struck. No break, we hit like a sandy truck. Feel down now, checking your times up. Drink 10 feet tall, we built that up. Heat in the air, whole sky on fire. Ops freeze up when the squad get high. No L's, just a battle cry quiet. We rise, we hunt, we never get tired. On drink, keep calling our name. Plus with grit, that's Blizzard flame. Every Saturday night we start that game. Running back, running up, whole stadium shake. Yo, 716, we just throwing that cane. Well, 716, every down we get. 716 to the base, feel the pressure. Try hits, made the whole world step together.
On the kick for the Blizzard, number 20, Mary Palaimo. Number 13, Caitlin Yost with a return for the Mayhem. She's stopped by a host of Blizzard defenders. First and 10 for Maine on the 50-yard line.
Here we go, man!
A loose ball into the hand backfield has been recovered by the Blizzard. First and 10 for the Blizzard on the Mayhem 20-yard line. 4-yard gain on the carry for the Blizzard. Stopped by a host of Mayhem defenders led by number 4, Allie Mowry. 2nd and 6 for the Blizzard. Means pass is intercepted by number 36, Elaine Garnett. First and 10 for the Mayhem on their own 14-yard line. Loose ball in the Mayhem backfield is recovered in the end zone by the Blizzard for a touchdown. Mikhailo Means takes ball in the end zone for a 2-point conversion. 9 minutes, 56 seconds left in the first half. Maine 14, Blizzard 24.
Break from the line like lightning struck. No breaks, we hit like a semi-truck. Feel down now, checking your time. Drop 3 10 feet tall, we built that up. Heat in the air, whole sky on fire. I'll freeze up when the squad get high. No L's, just a battle cry quiet. We rise, we hunt, we never get tired. End zone drink, keep calling our names. That's what kick, that's Blizzard flame. Every Saturday night, we spark that game. Running back, running up, no stadium shake. Yo, 716, we the storm that came. Well, 716, every time we get.
Once again on the kick for the Blizzard, number 20, Mary Palimo. Number 17, Asher Havlin with a return for Mayhem. She was stopped on the play by number 10, Noriah Johnson. Mayhem back on the field, 1st and 10 on the 40-yard line. And ladies and gentlemen, once again, the 716 Blizzard wants to thank our business sponsors. We'd like to thank Soto Steel for providing superior stainless steel fittings right here in Buffalo, New York.
Come on.
36, Elaine Garnett with a carry for the Mayhem. She's forced out of bounds by number 9, Isabel Buckingham. An 8-yard gain on the play. It'll be 2nd and 2 for the Mayhem on their own 49-yard line. Number 36, Elaine Garnett, the ball carrier for the Mayhem, takes the ball on the Blizzard side of the field before she's forced out. 1st and 10 for the Mayhem on the Blizzard 40-yard line. Schofield's pass falls incomplete. Number 88, Kelly Denlinger, the intended receiver. 2nd and 10 for the Mayhem on the Blizzard 40-yard line. Number 88, Kelly Denlinger with a carry for the Blizzard, takes the ball inside of the 10-yard line. 1st and goal for the Mayhem. First and goal for the Mayhem on the 3-yard line. Maggie Schofield with a shovel pass, number 36, Elaine Garnett, who takes the ball into the end zone for a Mayhem touchdown. Mayhem with an unsuccessful attempt at a 2-point conversion. 6 minutes, 49 seconds left in the first half. Maine 20, Buffalo 24.
Listen, worldwide. Look at your one. Let's get this thing jumping.
They have
you got hot, nigga, so it take up. I'm still making cuts and make it jump.
On to kick for the Mayhem, number 16, Cash Couture. A short return for the Blizzard. Blizzard offense back on the field. 1st and 10 on the 33-yard line. Number 19, Kelvetta Lohman with a carry for the Blizzard. She's stopped by number 13, Caitlin Yost. A 1-yard loss on the play. It'll be 2nd and 11 for the Blizzard. Micaiah Means carries the ball for the Blizzard. She's brought down on the play by number 25, Michelle Johnson. A 13-yard gain on the play is enough for a Blizzard first down. Number 1, Micaiah Means carries the ball for the Blizzard. She's forced out of bounds by number 4, Allie Mowry. A 4-yard gain on that play. It'll be 2nd and 6 for the Blizzard. Number 19, Kelvetta Lohman, the ball carrier for the Blizzard. She's brought down to the backfield by number 29, Cassie Healy. A 5-yard loss on the play. It will be 3rd and 11 for the Blizzard on their own 44-yard line. Means pass falls incomplete. It was tipped by number 13, Caitlin Yost. 4th down for the Blizzard.
Play, Yost. Hey, wait, we're 3 short. We're 3 short. Pass it, big ball. Watch the fake. Don't hit the punter. Yeah. I don't want that girl down there.
Blizzard punter brought down to the backfield. Number 4, Allie Mowry in on the stop. Blizzard turn the ball over on downs. 1st and 10 for the Mayhem. First and 10. We have a flag on the play. Flag is for a false start on the Mayhem offense. 5-yard penalty. 1st and 15. Schofield's pass falls incomplete. Number 36, Elaine Garnett, the intended receiver. 2nd down for the Mayhem. Timeout Mayhem, their 2nd timeout of the 1st half. Number 36, Elaine Garnett, the ball carrier for the Mayhem. She's forced out of bounds by number 4, Jayla Yancey. A 9-yard gain on that last play. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the 2-minute warning.
My baby born in Berkeley. She's been telling me all night long. Gasoline and groceries. At least goes on and on. It's 9 to 5 ain't working. Why do I work so hard? I can't worry about my problems. I can't take them when I'm gone. Get close to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round when you feel more. Push that on the table, she don't need a fast food. Oh my, good Lord. Someone put me up. They don't need gotta get street. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at
Number 13, Caitlin Yost carries the ball for the Mayhem. There is a flag on the play. Flag is for a holding penalty on the main offense. Following that penalty, 3rd and 15 for the Mayhem.
Come on, Elaine! Yes! Yes! Woo! Let's go, Elaine!
Schofield's pass goes complete to number 36, Elaine Garnett. She's tackled on the play by number 9, Isabel Buckingham. Timeout Mayhem, their 3rd and final timeout of the first half.
Make it good, it makes us older, better, faster, stronger.
that don't kill me. Can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's how long I've been on ya. Let's get lost tonight. You could be my black Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary and the boss tonight. And you don't give a when they all say right. Awesome, the Christian and Christian Dior. Damn, they don't make them like this anymore.
I would say roll it up or sit here if you want. Schofield's pass goes complete to number 13, Caitlin Yost. She's tackled on play by number 4, Jayla Yancey.
We ain't got no time,
A 7-yard gain on the play. 2nd and 3 for the Mayhem.
You didn't see the number I caught? 13 caught.
Number 13, Caitlin Yost with a touchdown reception for the Mayhem. Mayhem's attempt at a 2-point conversion is unsuccessful. 29.9 seconds left in the first half. Maine 26, Buffalo 24. Number 5, Diane Bitterman with a return for the Blizzard. 1st and 10 for Buffalo on their own 43-yard line. Timeout Blizzard, their 3rd and final timeout of the first half.
Don't cry, don't raise your eye. It's only tears we say. Silent take
I wrote it down somewhere. I don't know where.
The Exodus is here. The happy ones are here. Let's get together and go again.
Means pass goes complete to 0. Denia Green takes the ball on the Mayhem side of the field. 1st and 10 for the Blizzard on the Mayhem 35-yard line. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the first half. Your score, Maine 26, Buffalo 24.